Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make or process akpu, which is also known as cassava fufu. So the first thing you do is to mold it into these shapes or balls. Meanwhile, we bought the already fermented one. So after molding it, you cook it in a pot for a while. Then after cooking it, you pound to mix everything and break it down again because you're still gonna cook it again. After that, then you put it in a nylon the second time, mold it into a ball again and start cooking it again. After cooking it the second one, then you pound. After pounding, it will look exactly like this. This is done. So we are doing different batches, and this is the ones that we have done already. So this is good to go and it can be enjoyed with any soup of your choice. So because of the fermentation process it went through, this has like good bacteria for your gut, and it has low calorie compared with other kinds of fufu like eba or semo. And we are going to be eating it with this delicious bitterleaf soup, and you can enjoy it with any other soup like this nsala soup, which I'm enjoying it with in Joseph's pot. And thank you so much for watching till I come your way again. Hope you've seen how to make akpu. Some people also call it santana. And that is it for today's video. Hope you'll be trying it at home because you can actually make it at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.